This is video training on how to download an order in the McAuto app. Off the driver's iPad or on any Apple device, there is an app called Mobile Mover. In the Mobile Mover app, you will click the plus sign and download an order. In this case, we're going to use order number MCAT1610111, and you hit download. This will go out to the server, ask you to download the order, you hit continue. When you bring down the order, it should carry over all the information that was keyed in on mobile on the Move HQ order entry screen. In this case, we've got auto transport order came down. It's got all the shipper information that would have been entered. It would have the dates for load and delivery. It would have the origin information. You can take photos at origin and add that to your iPad. On the destination, it's got the ability to add a new location if that address changes. You've also got phone numbers and contact information for the folks at the delivery end. The function you want to use is the inventory, and in the inventory you're going to click in order of the 3 line items that need updating with 3 arrows to the right. You're going to start with auto inventory, you're going to move to auto inventory report, and then you're going to finish with your auto inventory bill of lading. Starting with the auto inventory, you're going to open up the vehicle, enter the declared value as provided to you by customer service. You will progress to next, ensure that you've read the pre-check list. You're going to select yes for that, and then move into the vehicle, ensure that it is the correct configuration of the vehicle. You're going to click next, and under the wireframing you can touch any one of the wireframes of the vehicle and progress through capturing defects. So in this case, if we say chipped and bent, that would capture a red X next to the defect that it's associating to. And you can also take images. So if you are going to view or take images of the vehicle, you can do that off the menu option under images. You want to take as many vehicle images as possible. That will ensure that we have covered any issues in terms of defects from a customer liability standpoint. When you're done capturing all the defects, there should be red marks indicated on the vehicle. So if we do have, and scroll through the defects, if you do have your red X's in position as close as possible, it will count up sequentially as to how many defects you have. When you're done with the wireframe, you want to click next and done. Now you're done with your vehicle, you've done with the auto inventory. You want to move into your auto inventory signature. This is the company or the dealer at the top. In this case, I'll just put Miguel. When you hit save, it's going to call for a signature, so you want to capture the signature, and it's going to put a check mark when it's done. When you hit next, it will load your vehicle inventory. Right? So this is now your vehicle inventory. As you can see, it's got the date information and the signature. It's also got red marks where the defects are for your origin inspection and your final inspection. So that at the origin and destination, you're still going to be looking for that same defect in the same place. A defect would not go away just because the vehicle is in transit, right? You can then, from this position, you can mail it, you can email it. You want to choose actions, and this allows you to email, save, print, or upload. Now, you always want to email, and on the email function, you're going to put your driver's email, your driver's name, and then the customer email if provided. If it's not provided, you can always select McAuto Sales, and this is a generic email address that will go to our customer service team, and this way they can quickly validate if the driver inventory was done correctly. So you want to put McAuto Sales at McCollisters.com. In this case, if I just put Miguel as a driver name, and you put this is driver's email, so in this case I'll just put auto sales, generic email, and we'll just put Miguel in there for test. Now hit done, make sure that it's attached, and you hit send email. That will generate the email with the document, and that will send it to the email address indicated. Okay, if it says that the email address is different, that's correct because you hand keyed it in. And now you've captured the signatures, you've got a check mark. You now have that arrow that indicates it was uploaded or sent. The next thing you want to do is generate the bill of lading. And by clicking that arrow for the bill of lading, it will expose everything that you should have captured for the vehicle information on the bill of lading. You want to capture signatures. As you can see, this does not have signatures and nothing is dated. So you want to hit the sign button. You want to have the individual sign for that bill of lading. It will then generate the bill of lading and then place that signature and the name of the customer in place. It'll also indicate on the bottom who signed for it. That will be the McAuto's bill of lading. This is just a uniform bill of lading with all the information in the top sections. The McAuto's auto number, the McCat 161011 is in the top right. Your actions again will allow you to get this document over to customer service or to the customer if they would like a copy digitally. So we'll just use the generic McAuto's email address. In this case, I'll just put Miguel test, and I'll hit done, and then I'll hit send email. So this will then generate an email. It will generate the bill of lading and send out the bill of lading. So that concludes training of the inventory that you pull up for the vehicle inspection. You have your inventory report, which is a document you can send. The auto inventory bill of lading, which is a document you can send. This is the origin. At destination, you're going to click the same thing, and you're going to carry out the same vehicle inspection. When you pull up the auto inventory, you're going to carry out the auto inventory the same way you do at origin. If you want to generate the inventory report, you're going to be able to sign for the vehicle and do everything exactly the same way as you did at origin. Thank you.